you as a company, it looks like you go to the point where operating your commercial function becomes a priority. I think that's a great place to be for a company. And I'm sure it took a good deal of effort and creative thinking and struggle of many people to rethink things, and as it looks, to transform who you are as a company and where you're headed. So you got to this point, kudos for that. The second thing I think I would like to mention, business development, market penetration, footprint, growth, expansion, all those things. The way I see it is not a one-man or one-team effort. It's actually a company-wide collaboration. For the business development team to go out and close deals, or say close them with the proper velocity, a few things need to be aligned in the organization, right? And the effort of different people needs to be coordinated. I would not mean by this that we need everybody at the same time all the time, right? That leads nowhere. But what I think, I don't know how you see it. In a way, you are headed to a new transformation.